It is not even 7 in the morning.
Making it too
So
hot.
foggy out. Is it
Too hot.
time to turn it off? We've been up since 5. Ty, it's all done. Mommy needs a nap. Are we all done, Ev?
Yeah. Oh, in the air. I'm going to shoot it in the air.
No.
Why?
You want to go put it on the garden?
And shoot it right in the air.
Here, you can go water the flowers. Go ahead.
I'm going to shoot it right in the air.
Go get it, Ty Ty. Oh no, Ev. Oh my god. You're crazy, Ty. Ev, watch the door behind you. Ev, look, the door's open behind you. Don't go in there. Don't get the water in there. Oh my god, Ty. He is crazy. Alright, Ev, stop. If he wants to jump in it, he'll jump in it. And he does. Ty, you're crazy. Ev. Are you cleaning up? Are you all wet? Want to say bye-bye and I'll get you a towel?
No.
Are you all done? I think he wants you to... All right. Say bye-bye.
Why?
Because I'm taping you.